Welcome back to my channel Into the Oracleverse, where we learn about Oracle SQL, PL SQL, and Apex. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. In this video, we learn how to use the update from syntax, which is a new feature introduced in Oracle 26AI database. In this video, we'll also be comparing its behavior within 26AI as well as in 19C. I'll just be showing the errors which would occur if we try to run the same in 19C database. And yes, so let's get started right away. Within the Oracle AI database, the 26AI's release notes, we'll be able to see the new features. And one of the new feature is this direct join for both update and delete. In this video, we'll just be covering the update part. So with this, we'll be able to join the target table in both update and statements. With this, the main advantage is we'll be able to limit the rows that are about to be changed, and we will also be able to bring in more source for the new values that should be updated to the target table. And yes, so with this we will be able to write SQL in an easier way to change or to delete data. Now let's quickly look at the syntax. So this is the new part that has been added. So you'll be able to see that there is a from inclusion from class which is included here, with which we'll be able to add our table of choice, and then we'll be able to see that the column from this particular table being referenced here, and we are also able to see the condition with which these tables are joined. Now let's get started. So I'll be using the live SQL environment. We'll be also using my blog post as a reference. So let me run through the scenarios first. So we'll be having two tables, departments and employees. I'll have a column called department within the employees table, and this is how it's going to look like. So I won't populate the department part, whereas I have another table called departments, which would have the department name and the department ID. So the ask is to update the column of department accordingly based on the department ID. I have all the relevant DMLs and DDLs to create this sample data set. And yes, so I have it already copied here. I'll just run everything until this part. Yes. So now we have created both the tables with sample data inserted. Let's query the table. So you are able to see the department being null. And then let me also query the other table. Yeah. So we are able to see the department name being populated along with the department ID. So now let me just give a quick glimpse of this update that we have right now. So we'll execute this first. So you can see that I am about to update the employees table, and I'm about to update the department column within this employees table. So I'll just query this for now. Yes. So I'm going to update the department of employees table based on the value which is present in departments. So the other table that I have shown you. And I am joining these two with this condition, the department ID in both the tables. So here we have DEPT ID, and in the other table we have DEPT ID, and we are going to bring this DEPT name and we are going to populate it in this department column of employees table. So let me quickly run it, and 5 rows are updated. Let us query this now. Yes, so we are able to see the value being populated from the department table into the employees table. Now there is one more thing that I'd like to show. So we would be able to add additional filters as well to filter down the data and to make specific updates. Now I'll update the employees table, the same table that you see here, with a condition, with some additional conditions where I am providing the department name as IT. So the name would be starting with P. So this is E dot. So and then the department name is based on this table, the department's table. So we'll be able to apply filters to both the tables at the same time. Now let me run on row updated. Let me look at the data again. You are able to see that the specific update has taken place. So that's pretty much it. Now let's just quickly run through what will happen if we try to do the same thing in 19 C database. And let me run it as a script to, yeah, I'll just delete this, delete it. And then to run it as a script, we just have to click this. Yeah. So you're able to see the errors here. Yes. Now if we look closely into the error, we'll be able to see that it's a syntax error. So we had the from statement, right? The front class, right? So that's the reason for the issue. So this works only in 26 AI, and this feature will save us a lot of time, and it will help us reduce the amount of queries that we use to update statements and update things. And it will also help us to improve the readability of the query that we have. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. In upcoming videos, I'll provide more insights into the other features that were introduced in this particular 26 AI version. Thank you.
Drop in your thoughts in the comment section, and for more videos like this, subscribe to Into the Oracle Verse.